We're in Thailand eating flowers whilst you guys are stuck in your 9-to-5 jobs.
That's good, man.
Hello and welcome back to my Thailand travel series. So far, here in Chiang Mai, I've visited an elephant sanctuary, explored the night markets, as well as the Mi Ping River. Today, I'm going to be learning how to cook Thai food from a very serious but funny chef.
Where we get the...
They like chili.
Yeah.
You're seasoning them up already?
Yeah.
Serious?
We're seasoning already. This is not the meat everyone they have for eggs. Only for
I'll
the
be
eggs.
visiting a farmer's market to shop for fresh ingredients to make 6 traditional Thai dishes, including Khao soy, pad Thai, and mango sticky rice. This is one of the many activities that I'll be doing here in Chiang Mai before heading to Bangkok and then Phuket, so stick around for all of that. So we just started our cooking class tour. So we just arrived at this market. This is the first stop in our cooking class tour. And look, there's a weed shop right there. Weed is actually legal over here.
Picking one or picking one at the school, okay? So, the first one gonna be red curry, okay? This one you can...
So this is our guide. He's just going to take us around the market and show us all the different ingredients.
It's smooth,
And I think after this we're going to go and cook with these same ingredients.
And that's it, yes, smooth like butter. Yes, good, okay? Now, later on when you're making the curry paste, you're looking for something like this, okay? Now basically, red curry paste, we use dry red pepper. Okay, that's where the red colors come from, okay? At the school, we boil and soak the pepper in water already. Easy to smash and not that spicy, okay? Good. Next, Panang curry, okay? Same consistency, just the colors a little bit different. Also, okay? The other name of this is called sawtooth coriander because it looks like a saw, yes? If you've been to Vietnam, there's this called pho or pho. They put it in the pho also. Your Vietnamese beef noodle, okay? So you can find it in Asia, generally. Yes, okay, good. So we'll see that later, okay? Peppers. This is not chili, okay? Red pepper, this is to make red curry. And green pepper, to make green curry. Okay, good. That's where the colors come from. Okay? These guys are the mixture of like bell peppers and jalapenos, okay? They're not that spicy, just a little bit, okay? But when I say a little bit, it might be medium for you.
After learning some very interesting facts about Thai ingredients at the farmer's market, we were transported to the cooking school, where we got a chance to relax before starting the cooking class. I was really impressed by the design of the school, which even had its own mushroom farm. After stopping at the farmer's market, we made it to the actual site, and this place looks amazing. And this is going to be my station for the day. Basically, we're just going to be making these throughout the day. It's like 15 past 10 right now, and we start at 10:30, so I got here a bit early. And you've got more classes going on over there. They even have a swing. Oh fuck. That didn't look stable. After that, we met the chef for the day, who gave us a tour of the garden within the cooking school. He helped us pick herbs as ingredients to be used in our cooking throughout the day.
Purple and green is made of the flowers. So we're gonna try them. If you do not add ginger in your curry, you still have a little spicy with that one. Okay?
Look at these chickens. We're gonna eat them. We're gonna eat you soon, chickens. What's this?
They're bags that have, I think he said hay, some sort of coconut stuff, and something else to grow mushrooms in. So the mushrooms then pop out on their own.
Oh wow, that's so interesting.
Yes. Magic mushroom. Okay, I'm
Magic mushroom.
Very good.
I didn't give you enough chicken. Where we get the...
They like chili.
Yeah.
You're seasoning them up already?
Yeah,
Serious?
we're seasoning already. This is not the meat everyone they have for eggs, only for the eggs.
It's only for eggs.
Yeah, their names, we got their name.
The first dish that we made was tom yum soup. It's a hot and sour aromatic soup with lemongrass, galangal and lime leaves. To prepare it, we first brought a pot of water to a boil before adding lemongrass, galangal, kaffir lime leaves, shallots and chilies. We let all these flavors simmer before adding a tomato and mushrooms. We then seasoned this with sugar, fish sauce and chili oil. Lastly, we squeezed some lime juice before garnishing and serving.
After you break it, do not touch it with your hand. You're going to scoop them with the knife like that and then add them in your soup pot, please.
Should we just add them like that?
Right. That's okay, so you have to peel because it's only for. We're done with everything. Everyone doing very, very fast. So I can. Camera shake a little bit, please, to get teaspoon. When I say teaspoon, it has to be full. It's good. Thank you. All right, everyone, now table. Yes, please.
What's the reason for Thailand? Bathing in, which is very rare.
It's very hot, it's now very cold.
I suggest you guys to use the low heat so you have time to think about what goes in. Go first. I do. So only take 10 seconds, everyone. So we're counting down 9, 8, 7, 6, 2, 1. Happy New Year. We're ready to have a nice and sexy.
Yummy is good.
Yep, yummy is good. Now it's our pad thai 20 baht. So we'll make it 200 baht now. This is 200 baht. This is very easy and simple, everyone. And you're going to Pringle with topping with peanut or chilies on top. We have this there. Thank you very much. Good luck for your turn.
The next two dishes that we made were prawn pad thai and papaya salad. To prepare the pad thai, we heated some oil in a wok before adding shallots and garlic. We then added tofu whilst continuously stirring. After that, we added an egg and stirred until it was fully cooked. Then on one side of the pan, we added our noodles, sauce and water until it all combined. Then gave it a quick mix before plating and garnishing with peanuts and a slice of lime.
Place out, please. This is for your pad thai.
To prepare the papaya salad, we crushed garlic and long beans into a wooden mortar. We then seasoned this with palm sugar, fish sauce and lime juice. We added tomatoes, shredded papaya, carrots and mixed it all with a wooden spoon and pestle until it all combined, before plating and garnishing with a drizzle of peanuts.
Done, everyone. You have a sexy pad thai and sexy papaya salad. Yeah. On the dining table, please enjoy.
So we made our second dish of the day. This pad thai looks amazing. The first ever pad thai I made. It tastes crap because I made it, but yeah, let's see. I'm still gonna eat anyway. And this is okay, papaya salad. We're in Thailand eating flowers whilst you guys are stuck in your 9-to-5 jobs.
That's good.
That was actually nice.
The butterfly thing. Were you a good chef or not?
That's good, but I'm pretty sure I burnt my pad thai because the chef kept taking over. He's like, hey, put this, put this. This is the best pad thai I've ever made.
Is it the only pad thai you ever made? Yeah. Go even higher up from here.
Yeah, there's only one way to go from here.
I've got faith.
The next two dishes that we made were khao soy, which became my favorite Thai dish, and rice paper spring rolls, which is more of a Vietnamese dish. To prepare the khao soy curry, we had to do some extra work as we had to make the coconut milk from scratch. To do this, we had to use a coconut pick to scrape out the flesh of the coconut, which was then squeezed to extract the milk.
And you start scratch, just like that, everyone. Keep going slowly, and you put this down. Okay, so take your station and start get your own coconut milk, please.
Thing where they teach you about all the things that you can do with coconut. coconuts, and like not just the coconut itself.
To prepare the paste for the khao soi, we used a mortar to grind a bunch of ingredients including coriander seeds, peppercorns, dried herbs and cumin. I didn't get a chance to record the whole process for this one because I got really immersed into the class and completely forgot to record. To prepare the spring rolls, we soaked rice paper in some water to soften it up. Then we added mint leaves, shrimp, lettuce, basil and peppers before rolling it up and cutting it in half. It takes some skill to work with a sticky rice paper, which is why mine came out looking all wonky. So this is the third dish of He Likes It.
That's so good.
Third dish of the day,
Khao soi.
khao soi curry. And yeah, don't even judge me, these are like so wonky, but yeah.
As well.
So we're just making the dessert. We're almost done with the tour. I've been staring at this mango and it's so difficult not to eat it. Like I just want to take a big bite.
Thank you. Did they make
The start to cut from the left to the right, like, and we do it across, and we'll make them nice and sexy. Don't cut the skin, please. If you cut the skin, it won't sexy.
The last dish of the day was mango sticky rice. They had already cooked the rice for us, so all we had to do was plate it up and enjoy. It was obviously really good. I had mango sticky rice pretty much every day whilst I was in Thailand, and I never got sick of it. So that was it for the cooking class. I will be doing a few more activities in Chiang Mai before moving on to Bangkok and then Phuket, where I'll visit a bunch of islands. So if you'd like to see all that, consider subscribing to the channel and I'll see you in the next one.